What is up, guys? Today we have this Astroshot Gemini by the guys over at USA Toys. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. So inside we have this inside the box. Pretty good. We got two blasters inside the box as well. Here they go. We got two blasters, and then there's also these as well in here. Also these as well. So I guess they go to the different correlating color blasters, which is pretty nice. And then there's something else in here too. Let's go ahead and get that opened up. So it slides out nicely. Go ahead and use these scissors here. There we go. When you open it up, you have a bunch of this stuff in here. You got targets. You got a manual, as always, which is pretty nice. Then you got this as well. So let's go ahead and get this set up for you guys here. We have everything laid out on the table. Kind of looks like a mess right now, but so these are the poles that you would use to assemble the target screen, and these guys are the little connectors that will help connect the poles. So we're about to go ahead and get started on this. So as you can see, you got different poles of different lengths and different connectors. So make sure you pay close attention to that manual while you are constructing this. But we're about to go ahead and finish setting this up. We have the base of this bad boy built, and as you can see, we also have the screen built. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble this bad boy and put it together. And we have finished assembling this bad boy. It comes out to a whopping 44 inches tall, so almost 4 feet, just 4 inches shy of that. But let's go ahead and get this guns loaded up and go ahead and shoot them. Guns here. Got the green one and the blue one. I got somebody here to help me. So we're gonna shoot our guns into the targets here. So the way you do that is you extend out the handle, you extend it out, and then you pull back, but you gotta do it violently like that. And there it is. You just saw a shot ring out right there. So let's go ahead and start shooting at this target here. I think I got one in there. It looks like smoke comes out. Reloading. Reload my musket. Now this product here, it is pretty dang fun. This is definitely a great gift for your kids this holiday season. But make sure they keep up with these little balls that you load into the gun, because they do fly everywhere. But anyways, that is it for this product. I highly recommend you guys give this a look for this holiday season.